Blessings everyone, this is Chris Kendall from therawadvantage.com, registered holistic nutritionist, raw food lifestyle coach, and raw chef. I am so dang excited to invite you to my next raw food and yoga surf adventure retreat in Costa Rica. I haven't done one since 2020. It's been a while, a couple of years, but we're opening it up. I'm really excited to invite you there, and I hope you join me for all the fun. The rest of the video is going to go into all the fun stuff that we're going to do on the retreat, but I want to let you know, if you want to reserve a spot and get $200 off as an early bird sign up, you got to make a deposit before the end of September here. And if you want a heck of a lot more information, as well as the retreat form that says all the prices, then click the link below to the retreats page, and in there, there's a button you can click to get the actual retreat form. I'll have a separate link for the deposit once you've decided you want to join me and have the adventure of a lifetime. And if you have any other questions at all, you can just email me at chris@therawadvantage.com. So enjoy some of the sights, sounds, and fun from Costa Rica. I hope to see you there. Join me on the January Costa Rica retreat. Paradise awaits. Ooh, don't forget to check out my raw recipes playlist in the top left, the video just for you in the top right, subscribe for more videos in the bottom right, and get your 3 free ebooks in the bottom left. Grab your free raw recipe app available on iPhone and Android with over 100 free raw recipes, common fruit and vegetable calorie breakdown, frickin' raw and food combining chart, shopping cart function, and so much more.